Hi guys, the next poem we're taking a look at is Haar Uitvaart. Remember, we've done a bunch so far, so you can just go take a look at that. We're looking at the Q&A. Take out the poem and let's see whether you can do this with me. 8.1. Wat beteken die woord uitvaart volgens die gedig? So what does uitvaart mean in this poem? Uitvaart in this poem means do it of sterf. So when someone dies. Remember, this was a poem that was written by a father of a young child that died, right? So he's not going to say, haar do it. He's going to use something more softer, more graceful to describe the death of his daughter. 8.2. Waarmee word die ruspauses in die gedig uitgebeeld? So, with what do they use to show like the pauses, the rest pauses in this poem? And that is with the ellipse. Remember, he uses lots of ellipse to show that emosionele pause. 8.3.1. Kies die korrekte woord tussen hakies. Reël 2 is 'n voorbeeld van denotatiewe of kononatiewe taalgebruik. Remember, denotatiewe is literal and kononatiewe is figurative. So, reël 2 is an example of kononatiewe taalgebruik. Motivate your answer. It just shows that the daughter's death is coming closer and closer. Her death is coming closer. It kom nader. 8.4. Waarom word inversie in reël gebruik? So, why is inversie being used in line 3? And remember, what is inversie? It's when it's not stompy, right? So we don't use stompy. So when the words are like jumbled up. So why do you think we use inversie? 1 second to think. Okay, 1 second is finished. So why do we use inversie in line 3? That's just for rijmdwang. So 8.4 is, we call it a rijmdwang. And what essentially does that mean? That means it's just so that the words in the poem can rhyme. It's just for rhyming purposes. 8.5. Waarop dui die verkleinwoord wat gebruik word in versel 2, 3, 6 en 7. So why are they using verkleinwoorde? It's just to show that she was a small child. She was small. She was a little girl. Sy was klein. Sy was 'n klein dogter. Or you can say dogtertjie if you want. 8.6. Kies die korrekte antwoord. Skryf slegs A to D next to your answer. So you're going to write 8.6 and you're going to choose A, B, C, or D. Reël 12. Het asemloos die dood ons ingehaal is 'n voorbeeld van personifikasie. So your answer is C. Personifikasie. Why? Because death can't catch up to you. Right? Death is not a human being. 8.7. Gee 2 woorde wat dieselfde betekenis in strofe 6 het. So give 2 words that mean the same in stanza 6. And those 2 words is asemloos and do it. Because when you're dead, you're breathless. 8.8. Gee 'n voorbeeld van alliterasie in strofe 1. So give an example of alliteration in stanza 1. They tell you to write down the entire sentence and then underline the alliteration. So if you look at die voeltjies het vir haar kom haal. Die voeltjies het vir haar kom haal. So what would be the alliteration? The H's, right? Perfect. 8.9. Kies die korrekte woord tussen hakies. Die ambulans of dood het die risie na die hospitaal gewen. Who won the race to the hospital? Was it the ambulance or death? It was definitely death. 8.10. Die pa kon nie die dogtertjie help nie. Or basically they're asking you is, die pa kon die dogtertjie help om haar pyn te verminder. And they're telling us, okay, this is incorrect. We have to write down a reël to show that this is incorrect. And you can write down reël 10 of reël 12. Both show that the father couldn't help the daughter. And that's why that 8.10 stelling is false. And that is it, guys. That's it for Haar Uitvaart. I hope it makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.